Hello YouTubers, once again this is Chikodze. I'm here in the studio with my good friend Dylan Gotizo. I'm going to do a bass lesson, a Sungura lesson in the key of C. But you know on the bass you can transpose what I'm playing on the C. You can also play it in any other key. It's actually simple to transpose on bass. But I'm going to move my C here. I'm going to play my middle C here so that it will be easy to see, and also the fretting is actually smaller in size so that it will be easy to move, and also for you to see what I will be doing here. So I'll be pretty much what I'll be doing is I'll be playing the scale first. What you really need to know when you're playing a Sungura, you need to know your scale. So this is my C major scale, this is my Do, my 1, C, D, E, F, G, A, B, then back to C, Do, Do. So using number system, you know, now we are using number systems. We don't really much use the Tony Sofa notation in music. When we are jamming, we just say out loud the number system. So the Do is the 1, the Re is the 2, the Mi is the 3, the Fa is the 4, the So is the 5, the La is the 6, the Ti is the 7. Then we're back to the 7. So Do, Re, Mi, Fa, Sol, La, Ti, Do, Do, Ti, La, So, Fa, Mi, Re, Do. Then you have your octave. In Sungura, usually you'll be playing octaves, pretty much. Octaves and thirds. Yeah, pretty much the octaves. Octave, third, the fifth, the octave. That's pretty much that we'll be playing. So I'll be playing first from the elementary level. I'll be doing the octaves first, and then I'll come back and add some more flavor to the tune. So first, if you're playing the octaves, you'll be playing something. You use your pinky, so your pinky and your index finger. So this is my C, my upper C, and this is my lower C. So you'll be holding like this. This is my pinky finger and my index finger. So you plug from the pinky like this. This is simple, right? I hope you are seeing what I'm doing. Let me arrange my fingers like this so that you can see clearly. So this is my octave. So this is my 1. So I'll be playing another 4. The progression that I'll be using a 1, a 4, a 1, and a 5. And you'll see that most of the times I will be just doing the 1, 4, and the 5. It's pretty much common in gospel. Whenever they're playing a 1, 4, 1, 5 progression, they usually skip the 1 from the 4. They go straight to the 5 and play it as a 1 over 5. It'll be pretty much easier if you watch our videos on YouTube, the piano videos. It will show you that when we are on the 4, we play the 1 over 5. Yeah, so something like this. Then I play the 4 also as an octave. Then come back to the 1. Then the 5. Then the 1. Yeah. You're good to go now. You can play your Sungura like this. Songs like Tarira One, Mune Simba, even Alec Macheso's songs and other songs, they also fit in this progression. So yeah, pretty much that's all. You can also introduce what we call thirds. You play thirds instead of just playing octaves. You know, music, you need variations. If you keep on playing like, it will be boring because we will be hearing one and the same thing all over again. So we want flavor. So maybe you can play this for the chorus, for the verse, the octaves. Now, when you're on the chorus, you can also start on this higher one and play it like this. Play the thirds. So you'll be playing the 5th, the 1 note, the root note, and then the 3rd. Something like. So 5th, 1, 3rd, 5th, 1, 3rd. In every note. When you're on the 4, you also play the 5th, 1, 3rd. On the 5, 5th, 1, 3rd. Then on the 1, 5th, 1, 3rd. Pretty much, right? So that's all. Also, let me just rephrase on this, but pretty much it's simple. What I'm playing is the thirds. Maybe I'm playing first, so what I'm doing is I'm just holding. I hope you know your scale. This is my 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 1. So the third degree of the scale, and then the fifth degree, pretty much that are what I'll be using. So I'll be fifth root third, fifth root third, fifth root third, fifth root third, then fifth root. Pretty much that's all. I'll play it. Yeah, pretty much that's it. Also, you can also add another flavor to it. You can also introduce modes if you know your mode. This is my Ionian mode, known as a major scale. This is my Dorian mode, known as my second degree. This is my Phrygian mode, my third, known as my third. This is my Lydian mode, known as my fifth. This is also called Mixolydian, and fourth, Locrian, whatever modes they will call it. So it's just one in the same major scale, but when you play it on a different interval, it will really sound different. So, you know, when you're playing your third, your fifth, you can play it like. Leading you to the 5. It's just the major scale is what you're playing, but the difference is that you're on a the difference of a fifth interval. This is a perfect fifth. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Yeah, pretty much that's it. What I wanted to say is you can play it like this now. You can also play it like the octave, the root, the third, the second, the fourth. When you want to go to the 4 chord, you can do simple, right? You know, these are just variations from the previous variations that you can also use on your Sungura. So what I'm playing on the last part is I'm playing a 1, a do, then a T, La, So, then Do, which is my 1, 7, 6, 5, then my 1. So what I'm playing 1, octave, root, third, second, fifth, then I do a slide. Pretty much it's not a grace note, but it's just a slide. You slide to the octave, to the root note, and then 7, 6, 5, then back to the 1. Also, when you're going to the 1, you can also do this lick. You can also play something like. Yeah, so. Thank you guys for watching. Once again, this is ChikodziMUSIC Academy. Don't forget to hit the like button and subscribe, and also share the information. Thank you guys.